This video will cover how to use a CIP sync drives without motion with the LinMot provided AOIs. Here is a list of the other AOIs LinMot provides for the drive features and functionality. The first section of AOIs is used for coordinated motion. The next section is for the parameter writes, error text, saving and storing the drive's configuration file in the PLC, and setting your curves and command table sequences. The third section is for the closed loop force control functionality when you're using an analog load cell as an input device to our drive. The last section is for uncoordinated motion using the physical axis. In this program, we do not have a motion group, we do not have virtual axes, and we do not need the initialization AOI or the event-driven tasks. All the routines in this program are contained in a periodic task that updates every 5 milliseconds. In the communications routine, we have our EDS read, our EDS write, and some move commands. These 4 move commands allow you to tell the drive what the motor's position scaling factor is and the dynamic torque or force limiting based on percentage. In the main routine, we use the LM AOIs with the physical axis. We can switch on and home the motor. Once that is complete, we can move on to the LM MAMs and have the motor move out and back. To enable the dynamic force control, we will need to go into the module configuration and change the maximum current positive and negative. This allows us to change our move value to 20% of the peak motor force. 20% of 8 amps is 1.6 amps. As I continue pushing the motor out of position, you notice we get a position lag warning and eventually a position lag fault. The get error text AOI allows you to see that data string and pull that through to your HMI. You can see here the data string showing the position lag always too big fault and not a hex code. Thank you for watching.